stand in the middle of a craft store or scroll through an online listing and see two very different paths. One path is paved with shiny new features and a price tag that seems too good to be true. The other path is more expensive and looks a bit more traditional. This is the ultimate showdown between a budget underdog and a trusted industry giant. The newcomer brand is throwing everything at the wall to see what sticks. They offer a massive touchscreen that feels modern and responsive. They include wireless support so you can send designs from your device without hunting for a cable. They even give you a surprisingly large embroidery area. That extra space is a big deal. It lets you tackle larger projects without having to rehoop your fabric constantly. For a beginner, this feels like a dream. You feel like you are getting a high-end experience without draining your savings. The interface is simple. It does not look like those old-school menus from an ancient calculator. It feels like a smartphone. But then you actually start a project. This is where the budget machine starts to show its true colors. Many people report that the tension is a nightmare to get right. You might find your alignment shifting right in the middle of a complex design. It is frustrating to spend hours on a piece only to have it ruined by a hardware glitch. This is the hidden cost of the lower price. You are essentially acting as a beta tester. The company is still learning the ropes of manufacturing. Now, compare that to the established flagship model from the brand everyone knows. It is not trying to be flashy. In fact, compared to the underdog, it looks a bit plain. The screen is smaller. The embroidery field is more limited. You might feel like you are overpaying for less. But the moment you start stitching, you understand the difference. The quality is consistent. The software is polished. It feels dependable. This machine is built to handle the mistakes that every beginner makes. If your stabilizer is not perfectly tight, the machine does not just give up. It is forgiving. It is also a smarter long-term investment. If you ever need a repair, parts are everywhere. There are thousands of videos and forums dedicated to this specific brand. You are buying into an ecosystem. You are buying peace of mind. The budget machine gives off this nervous energy. You find yourself hovering over it, waiting for something to jam or an error code to pop up. The trusted giant just hums along quietly. It is the machine you will still be using 5 years from now. It also holds its value. If you decide to upgrade later, you can sell it for a great price because people trust the name. The newcomer brand does not have that reputation yet. Buying it used feels like a huge risk. So it really comes down to what you value most. Do you want the biggest screen and the most features for the least amount of money? Or do you want a machine that works every single time you turn it on? For most people, the reliability of the veteran brand is worth every extra penny. Embroidery should be a relaxing hobby, not a battle against your equipment. The peace of mind that comes with a proven track record is the most important feature of all. The flashy newcomer might tempt you with its specs, but the veteran is the one that will actually finish the job.